Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable ads in Windows without software. One of the downsides of Windows 10 is that it comes with some built-in advertisements. These can appear as spotlighted apps in your Start menu, recommendations, or even notifications asking you to download or buy something. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to disable all of those ads. First, we need to open up Settings. Just go down to the bottom left corner, right-click the Start button, and then select Settings. Once Settings opens, go to System, then select Notifications and Actions. Here, scroll down under Notifications and turn off Get Notifications from Apps and Other Senders. Also, uncheck Get Tips, Tricks, and Suggestions as you use Windows. This will stop a lot of those pop-up ads. Now, let's turn off ads on the lock screen. Go back to the Settings home. Then select Personalization, and from the left sidebar, choose Lock Screen. Change the background to Picture instead of Windows Spotlight. Then scroll down and toggle off Get Fun Facts, Tips, and more from Windows and Cortana on your lock screen. While still in Personalization, go to Start on the left sidebar. Here, just turn off Show Suggestions occasionally in Start. That removes those recommended app ads. There's one last step, and this one's in File Explorer. Right-click the Start button again and open File Explorer. At the top, select View, then go all the way to the right and click Options. In the new window, go to the View tab and scroll down until you see Show Sync Provider Notifications. Uncheck that, then hit Apply and OK. Now you can close File Explorer and all those ads will be gone. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.